Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update the vessel or flight name under advanced shipping note in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the advanced shipping note menu under the warehouse module. On this advanced shipping notice list page, we have to enter the date range. And also we have to select the required warehouse. Then we have to click the submit button. The ASN details will be displayed on the screen. Now we have to click the edit button on the required ASN. On this page, we have to click on the additional menu. Here, we have to enter the vessel or flight name. Then we have to click the Save Changes button. Now we have to click the Report button. Here, we have to select the Advanced Shipping Note Report. In this advanced shipping note report, we can see the updated vessel or flight name. This is how to update the vessel or flight name under advanced shipping note in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.